Hi and welcome to Art of Cooking Recipes. My name is Akash and today's recipe is fish molly. Please don't forget to subscribe for more amazing recipes. So let's get started. 2 to 3 green chilies finely chopped, 2 medium-sized onions finely chopped, 10 to 15 curry leaves, 1 tablespoon grated ginger, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon garlic finely chopped, 500 grams of fish. I have used basa, but you can use any fish that you like. 2 tablespoons of ghee, 1 teaspoon pepper, and 500 grams of coconut milk. In a pan, add 2 tablespoons of ghee and let this heat up. Then add ginger and garlic. Just make sure you don't burn the garlic. They just need to slightly brown. This entire dish has to be cooked in low to medium flame. Then add green chilies and mix well. So you can see that I haven't burned the ginger, garlic and green chilies. I'm just slightly cooking them until they are brown. Now add curry leaves and mix well. Then add the onions. So the onions also should not be burnt at all. They just need to be translucent. So let them sweat in low to medium flame. Once you mix this well, cover and cook for 5 minutes. As you can see, I haven't burned the onions at all. They're just translucent. Now add turmeric powder, pepper powder, and mix this well. Then start adding coconut milk on low flame. Make sure you don't boil the gravy too much because coconut milk starts splitting if you boil it too much. Now mix this well. And then cover and cook for 5 minutes on low flame. Once this is done, add salt to taste. I have added 1.5 teaspoons, but you can add accordingly. So as you can see that the coconut gravy has become thick and it will continue to thicken. Now start adding fish. And as I said earlier, I have used basa, but you can use any fish that you like. Mix this gently so that all the fish is covered in the gravy. Cover this and cook for 10 minutes on medium flame. Once 5 minutes are up, just give the gravy a stir. And then cover and cook for the remaining 5 minutes. Now add 1 teaspoon of sugar and mix well. Finally, your fish moly is ready. You can serve this with naans, rotis, or even coconut rice, which is my favorite. I hope you like this recipe. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.